guys, and welcome back to my wood shop. I've got something exciting to show you today. I bought a new toy. I got the DeWALT 7-pattern hydro cannon nozzle because one of my hose nozzles recently cracked, so I thought, why not get a new DeWALT one? I'm excited about trying this because, unlike the other metal handles, this one has a rubber nozzle, so when I drop it on the ground, not gonna get leaks like most of them usually do, and let's be honest, I never put them down gently. I just throw it. I like that the handle has a nice grip, fits good in my hand. It actually has a metal interior, so it is a lot tougher. It has 7 patterns, so I'm gonna show you guys all of the patterns. You can pick which one is your favorite and use that. And lastly, it has a fireman lever, so you can yank it back and go full throttle, or you can adjust it to whichever strength you like. So I've got a ton of camping stuff to spray off, lots of dirty things. So let's unbox this, spray things down. The DeWALT 7-pattern hydro cannon nozzle is available everywhere you're used to picking up your favorite DeWALT tools. It's just over $30 and it is also available online. It comes ready to attach to any standard size garden hose, and I am so ready to give this a try. This was so easy to operate and I loved how it felt in my hand. It felt sturdy and I had so many options for a steady spray. I was even surprised at how powerful it was, even though it's not a pressure washer. This was perfect for watering all of my plants too. The different options on the sprayer help for plants that are fragile or hardy. Watering my flowers and plants is actually one of my favorite things to do, so this was so much fun. Well, there you have it, guys. The brand new DeWALT water cannon. I'm actually pretty impressed with this. It worked really well for not being a pressure washer too. Like, it gave me a lot of power, rinsed things off really well, and it's kind of fun to have a little water fight. So I hope you guys go out and get yourself your own water cannon. Thank you guys so much for getting wet with me and helping me clean up all my camping gear. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me here and on all of my socials at Sunny Moon. If you have any DeWALT tool reviews you want to see, or just want to see the fun content, hit me up in the DMs. And until then, happy building!